Welcome to Berlin Felsi Oracle. Today I'm here to give you a love guidance reading, and this reading is going to be a collective reading. When I say a collective reading, it is for everyone whoever sees this message. So there will be parts in this message that might not be similar to your story. So leave that for someone else, because when I'm giving as an oracle, I'm telling you this because when I give a reading, it will be I'm collecting consciousness, so I'm collecting collective consciousness. I am not doing one-on-one with you. When I'm doing one-on-one, I'll give you the answers on one-on-one, and I will specifically tell you what needs to be done or what not. But when it comes to collective reading, not everything is going to resonate with you. And another thing I wanted to highlight is also that whatever readings I'm putting, it has nothing to do with my life. Whenever I give a reading, I don't look or try to project my life onto you. I don't want to do that. Only the previous video, when it came to about talking about cheating, is when I had to speak up and say something about my life. But otherwise, whenever I post anything, it has nothing to do with my life. It is nothing like when I'm posting a divine feminine message, it's not from me, it's from source. Let's see what the cards need to tell you. Oh wow, the first card that I got is Ace of Cups. I didn't know this was going. I wanted it to be a love reading, but I didn't really know until now the cards came out. The first card which I got is the Ace of Cups. So it's showing me new beginning in love. It could be a new love coming into your life, or it could be a new beginning in love. Like maybe with your like if you're already in a relationship, there will be a new level that you are going to go into, or you are going to go into a deeper level of love. I see that your cup is overflowing. I see that you have done a lot of work on yourself. Both of y'all, there are two people, like obviously two people involved in a relationship, but both of y'all have done this work individually. I don't feel like much of it was done individually more than together, but a lot of work has been done, and the work that you all have been doing is going to be rewarded by universe. Can you see? I don't know if you can see clearly, but there is a bird coming and dropping money into your cup. So there will be opportunities when it comes to career options, when it comes to maybe moving or something. There is something coming, opportunities are coming into your life, which is going to help you even love openly or give the love to other people. I mean, when you are in that loving frequency, you will attract people who love you, and you will also give love. Like you will be in that flow of love. You don't have to try too hard. People will just come into your life and pour into your cup. So that's what I'm getting. There are people going to come into your life, or there is a person who's going to come into your life. A specific new love may be coming into your life. That love